Mämmi is a Finnish malty dark brown rye pudding eaten as a dessert with heavy cream. This is a traditional recipe for mämmi made with a process called imellytys. Imellytys is a cooking method where the food is left to stand at a suitable warm temperature and the enzymes breaks down starch into maltose, which makes the food taste a bit sweet. The ingredients for mämmi is rye flour and malted sifted rye flour, dark syrup, orange, salt and also bitter orange peel. This is called pomeranssinkuori in Finnish. Mämmi is made by mixing warm water with malted rye and rye flour and letting it stand in a warm oven for 2 hours. You repeat this step 3 times. This is when the imellytys happens. After this, you add some extra sweetness from syrup and also the orange peel, and then you boil the rye porridge for 10 minutes. After this, you let this Mämmi-rye porridge cool down, and then you bake it in the oven for 2.5 hours. Mämmi is served as a cold dessert with heavy cream. Mämmi can also be used as an ingredient in many other recipes. For example, we make a delicious dessert mousse from mämmi. We also use it in cakes, to bake mud cake, and also in bread recipes. Mämmi stores well in the fridge, and you can also freeze it. Mämmi has a lot of fiber, so this might cause some unwanted digestional consequences.